Hello, good afternoon. Ngayon ay September 22, 2020 at 1:21 p.m. Okay, yung trivia natin on martial law, wala pa pong nakakakuha ng sagot. Meron na pong nag-reply sa akin pero hindi po tama yung mga sagot nila. Kaya may chance pa po kayo na humabol sa inyong sagot. Okay? And how did the PSEI fare today? By the way, bago ako magpatuloy dyan, yung 1, 2, and 3, these are famous people who are still alive. Okay? Yun yung clue ko dyan. And they are very famous. So, punta ngayon tayo sa PSEI. Before that, let's go to the reminders. Let's take a look at the most active stocks. Here is how the PSEI performed today. It closed at 5894.28 or 15 points lower than the previous day. The candlestick structure here is what you call a dragonfly doji, since it resembles a dragonfly. Now let me check my notes. According to Jason Kam, in his book The Trading Code, a dragonfly doji is a powerful sign of reversal which you find after a momentum move down. It tells us that heavy selling moved prices down, but the buyers moved the price up to the open. Price closing at the day's high creates that long buying tail. The tail exposes price rejection at the low. The longer the tail, the better. Seeing the dragonfly doji after a momentum downswing tells you that support is being established and the likelihood of reversal is imminent. So I see the support somewhere in the area of 58.40 to 58.45. So when the price touched that level, it bounced upwards until it reached back to the opening price. So, if this is a sign of reversal, we expect a movement upwards in the coming days. Ang titignan natin ay si Now, si Dito, si Ali, Tel, GFC, MAH, MWIDE, MWC, AXLM, MAC, and MAC. Okay, so let's start with Now. Yesterday I was viewing Miss JD's trending stocks and she reviewed Now and Dito and she commented that these are telecom stocks, and when I was reviewing yesterday it never occurred to me. No? So good job, Miss JD. Okay, now nag-profit taking siya. Okay, nag-profit taking siya dito. And if you will see, it is on the all-time high, 52-week, 4.30. But yung potential ng stock is, ito pa siya, na 2018, tumaas siya dito. But the 52-week high is just 430. Tingnan natin yung, punta tayo sa weekly. So, next resistance niya nandito. 361 yung next resistance niya. And if the volume holds, then we will see a move higher. Now, once the EMA 20 crosses the EMA 50, yung setup ko kasi is, yan yung buy signal ko. No? So, ngayon, pwede kong sabihin, pwede na akong mag-buy dito. Pero, I will still wait for another confirmation that this will move higher. Teka, tingnan natin. No, mali. Daily dapat at tinitingnan ko. Yan. Actually, kung weekly ganon, no? But here, nag-profit taking siya. Okay. So, As long as the candlestick is above the MA20, then I will still hold on to the stock. So, tingnan natin si dito. Dito is on the support level and nag-ano na siya, nag-profit taking siya dito. But as long as it is above the MA20, then I will hold on to the stock. So, per my setup, I could have bought here on this level. Yan, when it touches the MA50. Looking back, no, if I will trade this stock, dito dapat ako bibili. Once na ayan o, dito ako bibili at the time na nag-cross higher yung dito. Meron ng separation. And I will continue to hold it until here. So, if I were able to buy it here, so malaki na yun. Okay, next. Ali, meron siyang doji dito. Or bullish abandon baby. It's a sign of reversal. So, in the coming days, expect a sign of the stock moving upwards. So, wait first for a green candlestick. So, right now, the support is here. Sitting at support. And if you'll enter, wait first for a confirmation before you buy. Let's see TEL. Another telecom company. This is the third telecom in the most active stocks. Okay, meron siyang... No, this is a Morningstar. It's called a Morningstar. Per Jason Kamp's book, The Trading Code. So, ito, in the coming days, nakikita ko to na to, it may move higher based on the technicals here. 2 candlesticks. If the trend continues. And I will buy if this is already above the MA20. Next is dito, JFC. JFC, battered si JFC. Baba. Ayun, pero ano siya, mas mataas nag-close kesa sa previous day, kaya this is green. So 132.50 is still a good area to buy. So nasa ito kasi nandito eh. Pero next resistance yan, nakikita ko here. 138. Ang next resistance nito. If you'll be using the Investigrams SNR, 134 siya. Yung next resistance. Ito nakikita ko dito sa 138 kasi ito yung dito na reject eh. Hindi dito. So ito yung nearest niya. Very Mart. Okay, Mary Marts continues to move sideways. And kung Bollinger Band na gagamitin natin, very thin yung volatility niya dito. Ayan. So, abangan nyo lang na mag-breakout ito. Kasi once na lumalaki yung volume dito, pero hindi lumalaki yung candlestick, sign of accumulation yan. Now, especially kung tumaas ng more than the average yung volume. Yung shadow na yan, yan yung average. Tumaas ng konti from the average, that is the actual volume. So, this continues to move sideways. MAH. So, nag-breakout siya dito with volume, then nag-consolidate at nag-profit taking, tapos tumaas ulit. So, if there is no catalyst, then it might continue sideways. Pero kita may volume dito eh. So, tingin ko dyan, it may move higher. Tingnan natin yung ibang indicators. Yan. Higher na than the MA20 eh. Once the MA20 crosses the MA50, then confirmation na po yan na it will move higher. So this is the resistance at 237 and the support at 165. MWIDE. Ito yung Metrain project. Okay, so the MWIDE moved higher now. Although this is a red candlestick, the closing price is higher than the previous days. So kung sa setup ko, dito ako bibili. Sa point na yan na nag-cross yung EMA 20 sa EMA 50. And I will continue to hold on if based on my setup. Pero if you have a different setup, okay lang. Walang problema. The resistance, I see it at 8. And I see the stock moving higher. MWIDE. Tapos ito sa MWIDE. MWC. MWC. Okay. So, the stock continues to move higher. Meron ba? News. Singil sa tubig ng Maynila. Manila Water tatapyasan sa Oktubre. So, magre-reduce sila ng presyo. Ibig sabihin nito, singil sa tubig ng Maynila. Manila Water tatapyasin sa Oktubre. Then Manila Water to cut water charges in October on currency adjustment. Kasi the reason for that is that the peso is gaining strength. Nag-appreciate yung peso, and that's why they are reducing the rates, because the peso became stronger and the dollar became weaker. Pero ito is nasa nasa resistance na siya. So kung mabe-break yung resistance, ang next resistance niya ay nandito. Tingnan natin yung weekly. Mas madali pagka weekly. Dito 18 na yung next resistance. Ito kasi dalawang candlestick. Maaaring yung first resistance nandito sa 16. The next resistance is here. Nasa 18. Nasa 19. So dalawa. So based dito sa 1 week chart. 16 and 19. First resistance is 16. Second resistance is 19. If the trend continues. Okay, let's take a look at 1 day. So maganda eh. All the 3 indicators are under the candlestick. If I were trading the stock, I will still hold on until na mag-breach niya yung EMA 20, AXLM. And then we'll do MAC. Okay, nag-move lang siya na sideways. And you see that the EMA 20 crossed the EMA 50, indicating a bullish trend. So kung magpapatuloy yan, kaya lang problema, walang volume. Volume propels the stock eh. So ang first, nasa resistance na siya, but if it continues to move higher, then the next resistance is 2.77. Okay, so let's wrap up the review of the PSEI. Ito yung summary page. Okay, the PSEI, today, there were 86 stocks which advanced, 105 stocks declined, and 45 stocks remained unchanged. Total volume is 4.4 billion, valued at 4.63. Total trades is 100.27,000. Total stocks traded is 236, meaning almost the total number in the exchange. There was net foreign selling at 655 million. On the sectors, only 2 sectors are in the green, the holding companies and the services. The rest of the sectors pulled down the index by 15 points or 0.25%. Okay, so that's it for today. Reminder lang doon sa trivia question, no? So wala pa nakakasagot dito. Yung 1, 2, and 3. Yung tatlong ito buhay pa. And they are known in the community. Okay, yun ang clue ko sa inyo. Buhay pa sila at they are known in the community or in the country. So drop in your replies or answers, and I will be leaving you with a quote. But before I go with a quote, I invite you to subscribe to my channel so I can maintain. Okay, so this is the quote. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. A quote from Benjamin Franklin. So this is Benji Chodoro saying thank you and see you on the next episode. Bye for now.